Hey guys, hope you're well. And today's our topic is tree stumps decor ideas for home garden. Dead trees and stumps can add beauty and even whimsy to a home garden. Use your imagination to create your own yard art from that dead tree in your yard or garden. I have few suggestions for you. Number one, tree trunk as planters. Plant right inside the rotted out stumps and hollow them out to hold pots that you can change without throughout the season. Number two, decorate it. If it's safe to keep the tree where it is, turn it into yard art by painting the entire tree with one or many colors or hang colored lights or other decorations from it. Number three, feed the birds on a stump. A trunk cross section can be used as a seed platform for ground feeding birds like mourning doves. The platform prevents spilled seeds from germinating in your garden bed or lawn. Be sure to drill holes so rainwater can drain off. Hanging bird feeder. Create hanging bird feeders with a small branch, put a nail through it and hang it from a branch. Drill 3 holes around the outside edge and attach short lengths of chain to hang it with. You can even nail apples and oranges with a branch for the fruit loving birds to eat. Number 4. Bird bath. Hollow a shallow indentation into a stump or a big section of trunk with a hammer and chisel, let it dry, then seal with a layer of concrete. Allow it to cure before filling with water as a bird bath. Number 5. Use cut sections of the trunk to create a garden pathway. Number 7. Build a seat. Leave the tree stump where it is and carve it into a seat. Number 8. Make a funny face. Make a whimsical face with a cross section of trunk, adding small pieces of other trees or yard material as facial features. Number 9. Create art. Carve the stump or a large section of the trunk into sculpture, releasing the art inside the wood. Number 10. Fairy garden house. Turn your tree stump into a whimsical fairy garden house. These are just a few examples. Just because a tree dies doesn't mean you have to discard it. Use your creativity and think of ways that you can give your tree a new life in your home and garden. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like these amazing ideas of old tree stumps and you will apply it in your garden. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel and hit the like button.